Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, January 7th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and thanks for coming back. We do got a real light week this week, and today's no exception. We actually have no economic news releases scheduled for today, so we're just going to jump over to the headline news today. And over on the headline news, stock market's currently down so far this morning. Also be prepared for another showdown between the Republicans and Democrats. We got over the fiscal cliff, and all that was talking about the tax breaks and stuff like that. So now they're getting into the budgets where the spending. So that will be coming up around March again. You're going to need to get that taken care of for the budget spending. And right now, both sides are kind of digging in again what they want because the Democrats who want to get more revenue, and what that means is they're going to basically try to eliminate more tax deductions. And one of the things that's on the table currently right now is the mortgage interest for homeowners, and even mentioned for possibly property taxes. So you could be losing some tax deductions. So pay attention to this, as these politicians, they like to get out there and say they've saved all this money or got all this money, and basically it's at your cost. So be prepared to watch this. Also, Republicans are looking at cutting back on Medicaid, Medicare, as well as like Social Security. So these are some things to keep an eye open on what these guys are going to be doing, and obviously you're going to want to make sure that you have your voice heard, so that way you're not affected adversely. All right, because this can affect us down the road. So this, since this is really all we got, let's jump over to the bond market, see what interest rates are doing today. We had a nice little rally back on Friday. Remember, we were way down here. We had this negative drop and down to 103 range, and then we were even lower, like 21 basis points lower. We started out the day, so we had a really increase in the interest rates. And we made up some ground here, and then today we started off a little higher, but we were closing this gap that we had, opening gap. We're down currently about 6 basis points, so we're near where we left off on Friday. So rates are about the same as what we had on Friday, or what we left off on Friday. So if people didn't do a price improvement on Friday, they will obviously give that today. But most of them did a price improvement. All right, well, we have about the same interest rates as on Friday, and we will call this a day. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. We will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be very light. We got the small business index coming in tomorrow to take a look at, and then Wednesday, basically, there's no economic news releases scheduled. So prepared to be more technicals, stuff that could pop up here, maybe if it's from Europe, which we haven't heard from in a while, or most likely about this this budget is going to be coming up. This talks about the budget, so that's probably going to be creating havoc. And then the Fed's also going to be buying some treasuries and mortgage-backed securities this week as well at the auction. So that could have those two items will be basically the items I'll probably keep an eye open for on the news. All right, have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow.